Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I melt my almond bark. It is pretty simple. It comes in these little squares and you just break them off, and just like that you're going to put it on your container. I like using these deli containers because they don't heat up as fast as glass does. After I'm done breaking off the pieces, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, it already starts looking like it's melting. So you're gonna wanna mix very well, kind of squish the chocolate together and just start moving it around before you do another 30 seconds. I know some people prefer glass rather than plastic, and that's fine. Just make sure that you lower the time to 10-second intervals instead of 30. After the 30 seconds, you're going to start mixing very well. You're going to use the heat from the container to continue melting your chocolate to avoid overheating. Just make sure not to go too fast when you're mixing, because then you can incorporate some air bubbles into your chocolate. You don't need to use shortening to almond bark because it already is the right consistency if you melt it properly. Right here, like I said, I'm using the heat from the container to continue melting the smaller pieces of chocolate. Now that the chocolate is completely melted, you can start adding your food coloring. Remember that it has to be oil-based. Almond bark is really inexpensive and it tastes delicious. So if you're a beginner, I would really recommend you using almond bark. It is such a good option and it melts so good. You could also just put this in the microwave for about 10 seconds to melt the leftover pieces of chocolate, but I didn't. I just continued mixing until it was melted. But yeah, friends, melting almond bark is really easy. Literally, this took 1 minute. So make sure that you're not overheating your chocolate, because then it gets really thick and you lose that beautiful consistency. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video and follow me for more.